So I recently decided to change the wheel bearings on my car, and let me tell you, it's been a humbling experience. I came back from a road trip, and the wheels were making like a scratching noise. So I decided, well, I asked one of my friends, and he's a mechanic, and he said, probably the wheel bearings. So I go and buy new bearings, take the wheels off, try to take the stub axle nut off, and it just did not come off. Went to buy an impact. Still didn't come off. Ate at it with a die grinder, and then eventually got it. Well, once nothing was left of it, pretty much, I got it spin free. Getting the bearing out was a next level pain. They design press kits for that. I couldn't get one. I couldn't find one anywhere. So my next option was slide hammer. Welded something up, a piece of bar stock lying around the shop. That worked okay. It took a while, but I got it out. And when you do things like the wheel bearings and the brakes and the suspension on your car, you really should do it on both sides. So I came over to the right-hand side of the car. Stub axle nut came off pretty easily, but it was in a not so great condition, so I had some suspicions.
He's forked.
The hub just did not come off of this. It was not coming off at all. So I eventually went back to the slide hammer. I made a little threaded bush on the milling machine. Put it on the back of this. Obviously this was in here. Put it on the back of that and just whack this out. This bearing didn't even come off of the hub. It basically just disintegrated when I whacked it out. Next up was gonna be to get the bearing itself out, and that just didn't budge. I had to beef up the slide hammer. This has been a very humbling experience. Probably would have been easier with the right tools. I don't know. The car's pretty rusted up. I've still got a bunch of work to do. This isn't a car channel. I don't even know what kind of channel this is. It used to be a woodworking channel. It's kind of now a whatever I'm doing this week channel. But yeah, if you like that, like the video, subscribe to the channel. I've got more stuff coming up. Got more woodworking stuff, I promise. I know it's been a long time, but yeah, thanks for watching. Bye.